In this video I will show you how you can connect custom domain to render. Firstly, make sure you have some kind of project deployed. So I deployed from GitHub this project. I will open it. And now to add custom domain, you can also see this is your default domain from render. And to add custom one, you just want to click on settings, then custom domains on the right side. And from here you can add your custom domain. So I will click on add custom domain. And I have GoDaddy domain, which I will copy and I will paste it here. Then click on save. And now you need to configure your DNS records. So firstly, you need to add a name or alias record pointing to this value. If your DNS provider does not support a name or alias, you can use instead a record to point to this value. So I will show you how you can add a record. So this is the first record we need to add. And then the second record is CNAME, and this is the name of the record. So it's www, and this is the value. So we need to copy this A and this CNAME record. So firstly, I will copy this value of the A record. Open GoDaddy, and you need to open your domain settings, then DNS. From DNS, you want to choose DNS records, then add a new record. And here you want to add those two records. So the first one was A, so that's the type of the record. Name is this symbol, and paste the value from render. So this is the value. And then just click on save. And then you should see it over here. If you have existing A or CNAME record, make sure to delete them. So you just want to have those two records. Now I will add the second record, which is CNAME. So the type is CNAME, this is name, and this is the value. Type CNAME www and then paste the value. Then click save. And now once you have those two records added, you should go back to render. And now you just want to click on verify next to each record. So I will click on verify A and CNAME. And you just need to wait a couple of minutes because it can take a while to propagate. And then you should see check marks next to those records. So it took like 1 hour to verify, and then as you can see, domain verified and also certificate issued. So it took around 1 hour for me to verify this, and now this means your domain is connected. So if you open it, you should see your domain. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can add custom domain to render. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.